The ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable.
Thank you and welcome back to part 2 of Special Garlic Bread. And mind you, we need to send a special shout out to the SSI, Miss Laura, and the Vandevier Breaks, Spencer Vandevier, delightful, and Rico Corrifido, you know who you are, sir. Oh, we're moving along on part 2, and also a special plug for the village baker. Maybe we can get some bread shipped to you, we'll see. And now let's carry on with part 2 with our special guest, Mr. Frankie. Thank you there, Finstable. As you can see, this one is in the pan. We did some time-elapse photography, little trickster here. It's good to go. We're going to turn it off. Turn it upside down. Look at that. Ah, look at that. Texas toast for sure. Look at that. Yeah. And then you can cut it up. You can make croutons out of it. Whatever you want to do here, right? So then you got this spare piece of bread. You're going to let that steep in the pan while it's still kind of warm. Let it do its thing right there. You don't want to burn it up too much. Just let them steep, right? Then over here, all right, we got these special breads I was talking about. Can you see that? This one, we took the liberty of putting some bolognese on it. That's like spaghetti sauce, right? Then we put some cheese, so you kind of make it like your own little mini pizza. Don't waste your bread. Do something with it. You know what I'm saying? So, that's that. And then this is a special cheesy garlic bread. It's got all different kinds of cheeses on it and that buttery elixir. The butter's at the bottom of this too. So when you go to cut it up, look at that. Oh, goodness. Bada bing. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Even your sister likes it here, kid. What do you think? Yes, I quite agree. She's rather quite excited with the flavor. We can smell it all the way through the house, you know. So that's pretty much it. You got your special garlic bread. And last but not least, as you got some of that bread heating up in the pan, the one I showed you a little while ago, this little piece right here. While it's heated up, there's nothing wrong with just putting some butter on it, all right? You're good to go. So you're not wasting the essence of the stuff in the pan. You just put some butter on it. You can eat that whenever you're ready. And we're going to have a little serving suggestion over here. Get this out of the way. Got a big plate over here. Put some of these here noodles on it. A little bit of bolognese. Look at that, huh? Top it off with a little palm if you got it. Piece of this here bread. Piece of that bread. Piece of that bread. Look at that. Can't go wrong. Oh, I forgot to cut this guy in half. Can you believe that? That's right. Oh, a bunch of garlic bread. Thank you, kid. I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. Try this at home. Do whatever you do, be careful. Watch out for small kids when you're cooking. Watch out for your knives. And we'll see you all next time on the next installment of this Finstable guy here. Thank you very much, Mr. Frankie. A special guest indeed. Thank you all for tuning in once again out there on internet land. God bless you and Godspeed.
The ever-capable and always culpable